আজ আমরা প্রশ্ন বিচিত্রা বই থেকে ক্লাস 11 এর ইংরেজি বইয়ের দ্বিতীয় প্রোজ দ্য স্বামী অ্যান্ড মাদার ওয়ারশিপ এর এমসিকিউগুলি আলোচনা করব। তোমাদের যাদের এই প্রোজটি পড়া হয়ে গেছে তারা দেখো এবং নিজেদেরকে পরীক্ষা করে নাও যে প্রকৃতই পড়া হয়েছে কিনা। এখানে যে সকল এমসিকিউগুলি দেওয়া আছে সেগুলির আনসার পাশে দেওয়া আছে। আমি আনসারগুলো প্রথমে দেখাচ্ছি না, প্রথমে তোমরা গেস করো যে কোন আনসারটি হতে পারে, তারপরে তখন আমি উত্তর বলে দেব। তাহলে দেখো এক এক করে দেখা যাক। The writer of the Swami and Mother Worship is Sarojini Naidu, Sister Nivedita, Swami Vivekananda, Mother Teresa. গেস করো তো কোনটি হবে। গেস করার পরে যখন গেস করবে ভিডিওটাকে পজ করে আগে গেস করে নেবে, তারপরে দেখবে যে ঠিক হচ্ছে কিনা। তাহলে এটা হবে সিস্টার নিবেদিতা। তারপর দ্বিতীয়, The Swami and Mother Worship has been taken from Malgudi days, The Master as I saw him, Kali the Mother, The Web of Indian Life. এটা হবে The Master as I saw him. তৃতীয়, The Swami's life would be singularly incomplete if there is no worship of father, sister, mother, Brahmins, mother. তারপরে দেখো, in the Swami and Mother Worship, Swami is Swami Vivekananda, Swami Sarbananda, Swami the husband, none. এখানে হবে স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ। 6. In the Swami and Mother Worship, Mother is Vivekananda's mother, Nivedita's mother, Goddess the Kali, none. এটা হবে Goddess the Kali. তারপরে which god is which god is mentioned in the text? Swami, Kali Goddess, Brahmins, Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa. এটা হবে Kali Goddess. The two elements in the consciousness of Vivekananda were Kali and Durga, Shiv and Brahma, mother and sister, Brahma Gyan and mother. Correct answer হবে Brahma Gyan and mother. 9 নম্বরটা দেখো, Swami Vivekananda was born as a Brahmagyani, Kshatriya Gyani, Vaishya Gyani, none. এটা হবে Brahmagyani. 10. He was born a Brahmagyani. Here Brahmagyani refers to one who has attained the highest knowledge of physical world, one who has attained the highest knowledge of spiritual self, one who has the knowledge of cultural diversity of man, one who has the knowledge of religious diversity of the world. এটা হবে বিয়েরটা, one who has attained the highest knowledge of spiritual self. 11. Who claimed that Swami Vivekananda was born a Brahmagyani? Sarada Devi, Ramakrishna Paramhamsa, Sister Nivedita, Swami Saradananda. Correct answer হবে Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. 12. Who could easily enter Samadhi? Sister Nivedita, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Swami Vivekananda, the mother. এটা হবে Swami Vivekananda. 13. At the age of 8, Swamiji had developed the power of fasting, lifting heavy loads, preaching, entering Samadhi. Correct answer, entering Samadhi. 14. Swamiji had developed the power of entering Samadhi at the age of 8, 10, 12 or 15. Correct answer, 8. 15. He had developed the power of entering samadhi. Here, samadhi refers to a deep state of meditation, a deep state of sleep, a deep state of realization, a deep state of knowledge. এটা হবে a deep state of meditation. 16. According to Sister Nivedita, the religious ideas towards which Swami was attracted was concrete, abstract, incarnate, incorporate. এটা হবে abstract. ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে আছে কি conventional, highly historic, abstract and philosophical, orthodox. এটা হবে abstract and philosophical. 17. The word idolatrous means ideology, God, humanity, idol worshipping. Correct answer is idol worshipping. 13. In his early youth, Swami Vivekananda became the member of Jamindar Sabha, Sadharan Brahma Samaj, Tattvadhini Sabha, none of the above. এটা হবে সাধারণ ব্রাহ্ম সমাজ। ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে আছে the Swami became a formal member of, এটা হবে সাধারণ ব্রাহ্ম সমাজ। 19. What was the only imperative of Swami Vivekananda? The vision of the mother, the realization of Brahman, preaching a special form, offering animal sacrifice. এটা হবে বিয়েটা, the realization of Brahman. 20. Swami's only system of doctrine was hedonism, linguistic philosophy, Advaita philosophy, cynicism. এটা হবে Advaita philosophy. 21. Swamiji's sole scriptural authority was the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Vedas and Upanishads. Correct answer is the Vedas and Upanishads. Or দিয়ে কি আছে Vedas and Upanishads are Swami's sole scriptural guide, authority, thought, way. এটা হবে authority. Or দিয়ে আবারও আছে Vedas and Upanishads were Swamiji's sole scriptural authority, spiritual authority, spiritual power, scriptural motivation. এটা হবে বিয়েটা scriptural authority. 22. Which word was always on the Swami's lip? God, mother, brother, sister. Mother. 23. Swamiji spoke of mother as we of one deeply familiar in the religious life, reality, household life, none of the above. এটা হবে সি এর household life. 24. He or Swami was constantly preoccupied with her. Here her refers to Mother India, Swami's mother, Mother Kali, Kalighat Kali. এটা হবে সি এরটা Mother Kali. What দিয়ে আছে when Swami was in India, his mind was preoccupied with the thought of Sri Ramakrishna, Lord Shiva, Ma Kali, Ma Sarada Devi. এটা হবে Ma Kali. 25. Sometimes Swami would be gentle and polite, naughty and rebellious, upset and sad, confused and undecided. এটা হবে বি এরটা naughty and rebellious. 26. The hand raised for blessing was the right hand, the left hand, both the hands, none of them. এটা হবে A, the right hand. 27. Who is the speaker of her curse is blessing? Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Sister Nivedita, the God, the Swami. এটা হবে the Swami. 33. He had a wholehearted contempt for what he regarded as squeamishness. Here, squeamishness means the fact of being easily upset, the quality of showing emotion in silly way, pathos, sentiment. এটা হবে A, the fact of being easily upset. 34. Sister Nivedita put an objection to the Swami about deity worshipping in the temple, animal sacrifice in the temple, violence in the temple, communalism in the temple. এটা হবে animal sacrifice in the temple. 35. Animal is sacrificed in mosque, gurudwara, church, temple. 36. Why not a little blood to complete the picture? This was said by the Swami, Sister Nivedita, the priest of the temple, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. এটা হবে the Swami. 37. The Swami was a disciple of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, R.N. Tagore, Ramakrishna Vidyasagar. এটা হবে Ramakrishna. 38. The Swami did not support regarding Kali worship, animal sacrifice in the temple, manifestation of Kali only in the forms of evil, terror, sorrow and annihilation, manifestation of Kali only in the form of sweetness and joy. D. Both B and C. এটা হবে both B and C. 39. Swamiji had no place for worship of God, worship of nature, worship of devil, all of the above. এটা হবে C এটা, worship of devil. 40. Devil worship refers to the blood offering to the demons who attend on Kali, offering prayers to the demons who attend on Kali, offering flowers to the demons who attend on Kali, all of the above. এটা হবে A এটা, the blood offering to the demons who attend on Kali. 41. The conventional worshippers of goddess Kali call her the beautiful, the terrible, the spiteful, the merciful. এটা হবে D এটা, the merciful. 42. Nivedita's Kali worship enabled her to understand her master's works, ideas, life and thought, none of the above. এটা হবে C এটা, life and thought. 43. According to Sister Nivedita, the Swami was a learned scholar, a born educator, a born philosopher, a born poet. এটা হবে B এটা, a born educator. 44. Swamiji was a born educator in matter of philosophy, religion, history, politics. এটা হবে B এটা, religion. 45. According to the realization of Sister Nivedita, the Kali is the vision of God, the vision of Shiva, the vision of nature, the vision of Rama. এটা হবে B এটা, the vision of Shiva. 46. When the authorities suddenly asked if Kali was the vision of Shiva, Swamiji replied, "Think it in your heart, realize it in your mind, express it in your own way, ponder it in your senses." এটা হবে C এটা, express it in your own way. 47. Well, express it in your own way. To whom was it said? Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Sister Nivedita, Swami Vivekananda, the mother. এটা হবে B এটা, Sister Nivedita. 48. Who accompanied Sister Nivedita to visit Maharshi Devendranath Tagore? Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, the Swami Sarada Devi, the Swami Saradananda. এটা হবে B এটা, the Swami. 49. The Swami went to Jorashako with sister Nivedita to visit Dwarokanath Tagore, Devendranath Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, Kadambari Devi. এটা হবে বিয়েরটা, Devendranath Tagore. 50. When Swamiji asked Sister Nivedita a question about her experience of a death sentence, they were paying a visit to Ramakrishna, Rabindranath Tagore, Prince Dwarokanath Tagore, Maharshi Devendranath Tagore. এটা হবে ডি, Maharshi Devendranath Tagore. 51. Swamiji once realized and told Ramakrishna Paramahamsa that which is described in the text the Swami and Mother worship is money is soil and soil is money. To love human being is to love God. Religions were spirituality and direct experience of God. Religions were only languages and we must speak to a man in his own language. এটা হবে ডি এরটা। Religions were only languages and we must speak to a man in his own language. 52. What was the sudden realization to express your thoughts in Sanskrit language, in your own language, in English language, in Bengali language? এটা হবে বি এরটা, in your own language. 53. The authors realized that religions were only beliefs in spirituality, religious rituals, models of worshipping God, languages. এটা হবে ডি এরটা, languages. 54. The only man who said that we must speak to all men in their own language is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, the narrator, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. এটা হবে ডি এরটা, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. 55. I was about to lecture at the Kalighat. Here I referred to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Mother Teresa, Sister Nivedita, Swami Vivekananda. এটা হবে সি এরটা, Sister Nivedita. 56. To express precisely his position about Brahman and the gods, Swami referred to the poem of Cornel Hayes' poem, The Guardian Angels, Cornel Radcliffe's poem, The Guardian Mistress, Hopkins' poem, Poet Beauty, Delamere's poem, The Listeners. এটা হবে এ এরটা, Cornel Hayes' poem, The Guardian Angels. 57. How I used to hate Kali was said by Nivedita, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna, Guru Nanak. এটা হবে বি এরটা, Swami Vivekananda. 58. At first, Swami used to hate, love, worship, adore Kali. হবে A, hate. In order to accept Kali and believe in her, Swamiji took a long time of 2 years, 5 years, 6 years or 10 years. এটা হবে 6 years. 60. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa dedicated Swamiji to nation Kali Saraswati temple. এটা হবে Kali. Or whom did Sri Ramakrishna dedicated to goddess Kali? Nivedita, Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati, none of the above. এটা হবে বি এরটা, Vivekananda. 61. Who was the spiritual teacher in Swami's life? Jesus Christ, Sri Ramakrishna, Kabir, Lord Krishna. এটা হবে বি, Sri Ramakrishna. 62. Now I believe that she guides me in every little thing I do. Here she refers to Sister Nivedita, Goddess Kali, রানী রাসমণি গডেস দুর্গা, এটা হবে বি গডেস কালী। 63. Guru Nanak looked for one disciple to give his wealth, secret, name, power, এটা হবে ডি power. 64. Guru Nanak gave his power to his family, his son, the boy he came upon, his daughter, এটা হবে সি এরটা the boy he came upon. 65. There is a great divine power in the name of mother, father, goddess Parvati, goddess Durga, এটা হবে এ mother. 66. According to Swamiji, these gods are not merely symbols but as the devotees have seen, merely symbols, not only symbols but also idiotic idols, not only symbols but also as the Brahman projected, এটা হবে A, not merely symbols but as the devotees have seen. 67. Naren was the other name of Sri Ramakrishna, Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayanand, none of the above, এটা হবে বি স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ। 68. The two ideas that could not be reconciled were the Vedas and the Upanishads, the mother and Brahman, Advaita philosophy and the Vedas, the Swami and the author, এটা হবে বি এরটা the mother and Brahman. 69. When time comes, each man will know the life is a or an fantasy, introspection, vision, dream, এটা হবে dream. 70. Not verily by avoiding action can a man rise to this inaction. The words are from Vedas, Gita, Upanishads, Advaita philosophy, এটা হবে বি এরটা গীতা। 71. How does Sister Nivedita define the concept of mother in her text? As a biological parent only, as a nurturing force in the universe, as a figurehead in religion, as a symbol of oppression, এটা হবে বি এরটা as a nurturing force in the universe. 72. What impact does mother worship have on society as per Sister Nivedita? It fosters discrimination, it promotes equality, it divides communities, it encourages violence, এটা হবে বি এরটা it promotes equality. 73. What is the primary focus of Nivedita's essay, The Swami and Mother Worship? Analyzing Vivekananda's views on social structure, exploring the role of women in religious institutions, examining Swami's reverence for motherhood, investigating the history of Indian spirituality, এটা হবে সি এরটা examining Swami's reverence for motherhood. Or what is the primary message conveyed by Sister Nivedita in the text? The empowerment of women, the importance of spiritual devotion, the pursuit of material wealth, the history of India, এটা হবে বি এরটা the importance of spiritual devotion. এবারে fill in the blanks গুলি দেখো। 1. Sister Nivedita was by birth an Indian, an American, a Polish, an Irish, এটা হবে ডি এরটা an Irish, উনি আয়ারল্যান্ডের ছিলেন ওই জন্যই আইরিশ। 2. The Swami and Mother Worship is dash written by Sister Nivedita, and a story, an essay, a poem, a novella. এটা হবে an essay। তাহলে The Swami and Mother Worship এটা হচ্ছে একটা essay মানে প্রবন্ধ। 3. The present text is actually the dash of the book The Master as I Saw Him, first chapter, third chapter, 10th chapter, 11th chapter। এটা হবে 11th chapter। তারপরে Nivedita felt that there were dash elements in Swami's consciousness। 3, 4, 2, 6। এটা হবে 2। Swamiji had the power of dash at the age of 8 years, preaching, entering samadhi, memorizing scriptures, leading the most। এটা হবে বি এরটা, entering samadhi। 6. It is also true that in India the word mother was forever on dash, tongue, lips, head, mouth। এটা হবে lips। 7. None of that dash to mother, shrinking, flinching, creeping, cringing। এটা হবে cringing। Poem 16. Guardian Angels was a poem written by Swami Vivekananda, Nivedita, Cornell Hay। এটা হবে Cornell Hay। Word দিয়ে The poem written by Cornell Hay was Heavenly Angels, Fairy Angels, Guardian Angels, Beautiful Angels। এটা হবে C, Guardian Angels। 17. How I used to hate dash, he said, God, Kali, Shiva, Mother। এটা হবে B, Kali। Carefully turning to his chief disciple. Here the chief disciple is Sister Nivedita, Guru Nanak, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Swamiji. এটা হবে Swamiji. 25. When asked to explain the image of Kali, Vivekananda would speak of it as dash, the book of experience, the sea of knowledge, the valley of sunshine, the garden of flowers. এটা হবে A, the book of experience. তাহলে আজকে এখানেই সমাপ্ত হলো। প্রশ্নবিচিত্রা বই থেকে এমসিকিউগুলো তোমাদের সুবিধার্থে আলোচনা করা হলো। আমার এমনিতে সময়ের খুবই অভাব, তবুও তোমাদের জন্যই সময় বের করে আমি এই ভিডিওগুলো করছি। যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই জানাবে, এবং আরও কোন কোন চ্যাপ্টারগুলি চাও আমাকে জানাবে, আমি তখন আপলোড করে দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। আর পরিশেষে একটা কথা বলবো যে এই ক্লাসে যারা যারা পড়ে তোমার বন্ধুরা বাকিরা তাদের প্রত্যেককে শেয়ার করে দিও। থ্যাঙ্কস অ্যালট ফর প্র্যাকটিসিং উইথ মি।